If your website management feels like juggling flaming swords, you're a WordPress wizard in need of a better trick. First up, Wordpress Multisite lets you create a network of sites under one install. Perfect for agencies, schools, or any web developer with multiple projects. Step 1. Choose subdomains as your structure. This way, each new site gets its own unique address, like blog, yourdomain.com, or shop, yourdomain.com. Next, accept adding subdomains in your network settings. It's as easy as a few clicks. Finally, modify the URL to match your new standalone domain. Voila! Your site is live and looking sharp. Using subdomains keeps your content organized and your main site clutter-free. Plus, it's a huge win for SEO and brand consistency. So there you have it. Managing subdomains in WordPress Multisite is simple, efficient, and powerful. Happy developing! Hire OmniWeb to help you get started.